Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Programming video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we understood Hello World program in C Sharp in detail. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss character set of C Sharp language. We understand character set of C Sharp language because first step in learning any language is knowing its character set, guys. First step in learning any language is knowing its character set. How do we have learnt English language? First we learned character set of the English language, right? Character set of English language contains alphabets, digits and special characters. First we learned alphabets uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to Z. Then we understood how to combine these alphabets to create meaningful words. Then we understood how to combine set of words to create meaningful sentences. Then we understood how to combine set of sentences to create meaningful paragraphs, etc, etc. Then we learnt digits 0 to 9. Then we understood how to combine these digits to form numbers. Then we understood special characters, when to use comma, when to use full stop, when to use semicolon, when to use exclamation mark, etc, etc. Right guys? What is character set? Character set is set of characters used in the language for forming words, sentences, paragraphs, etc, etc. Character set is set of characters used in the language for creating words, sentences, paragraphs, etc, etc, guys. As C Sharp is also language, as C Sharp is a programming language, it also has set of characters used in forming tokens, instructions, programs, etc, etc, guys. The way how we have learned English language, in the same way we are going to learn the C Sharp language, guys. First we learn character set of C Sharp language. Character set of C Sharp language is set of characters used in forming tokens, instructions, programs, softwares, etc. Character set of C Sharp language contains alphabets, digits, special characters and escape sequence characters. These set of characters are used in creating tokens, instructions, programs, softwares in C Sharp language, guys. Tokens in C Sharp programming language are equivalent to words in English language. Instructions or statements in C Sharp programming language are equivalent to sentences in English language. Programs in C Sharp programming language are equivalent to paragraphs in English language, guys. The way how we have learned the English language, in the same way we are going to learn any programming language, guys. First we learn character set of the programming language. Then we learn tokens available in that programming language. Then we learn how to combine set of tokens to create meaningful instructions. Then we understand how to combine set of instructions to create meaningful programs. Then we understand how to combine set of programs to create useful softwares, etc, etc, guys. Now we have learned character set of C Sharp language. What is the next step? Next step is learning tokens available in the C Sharp language, guys. From the next video tutorial onwards, we are going to understand tokens available in C Sharp language step by step in depth, guys. Note, all C Sharp programming language characters are defined using Unicode character set. Unicode character set is a 16-bit character encoding system, that is UTF-16. UTF stands for Unicode Transformation Format 16-bit. Remember that all C Sharp programming language characters are defined using Unicode character set, which is a 16-bit character encoding system, guys. I think for this video tutorial, this much is enough, friends. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about C Sharp programming language. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.